for a drink.
Stefan's still drinking human blood. He's a different person. He'll do anything, he'll say anything, because he's not gonna want to stop.
This hunger inside of me that I've never felt before in my entire life. I don't want you to see me like this. I don't want you to know that this side of me exists. That's the spirit.
Klaus is a vampire born of a werewolf bloodline. The curse has kept his werewolf aspect from manifesting, but if he breaks it, he'll be a true hybrid.
Where's Stefan? He gave himself over to Klaus to save his brother.
I've heard about you. The crazy, impulsive vampire in love with his brother's girl.
He loves you.
He doesn't really know what love is. I think you should stop with the flirty little comments and that I thing that you do.
What I think?
I have the one thing that you never will.
What's that?
Her respect.
I like you now, just the way you are.
I need you to update me on where we are with the vampire situation. I said I'm handling it. And see that you do, Sheriff. Because if you can't, I'll find someone who will.
What's that?
Hi, Mom. The werewolf gene runs in the Lockwood family.
A bite from a werewolf can kill a vampire, so don't be his friend. Do you understand me?
Get out.
No!
I don't want to hurt you.
Promise me no one will find out about us. This is life and death.
Where were you last night when you were supposed to be with me? Don't say you were with Bonnie, because Bonnie was here, Caroline. I saw her. What are you keeping from me, Kara?
Bonnie? What exactly are you looking for?
If I can find the spot in town where the old Salem witches were burned, I can harness their energy to use when I need it.
I'm so sorry that you've lost so many people.
I still love you.
They said there'll be consequences.
Come here, buddy. Is this even possible?
Victus vis matis excelito. Please help me. I love him.
Bonnie, what happened?
You're okay. No! Stefan! Where?
Anna? Vicky?
Morning.
Hey, I was gonna... Oh!
Yeah, you should learn to knock. I mean, what if I was indecent?